The nominee has not satisfied the requirements for 5 years experience in field of education, youth, sports and social welfare as stated under the County Education Act, Section 5(3)(d), 2012 and Section 8(c) of the Public Appointment County Assembly's Approval Act 2017.
Ucio ni mutongoria wa aria ingi mbunge-ini ya kaunti ya Machakos akirekereria itumi cia kuregana na maritwa ma maminister atano aria mendekithitio ni ngavana Alfred Mutua niguo guthugunda kanju yake ya maminister toria gatiba yendekithitie.
The committee received 4 statements or not from some members of the public against the approval for appointment of the following 3.
Makeria nandikia mohoro thutha wa ndereti iyo, Ma-MCA acio ni maugite itumi nene cia kwaga gwikira kirore maritwa macio ni uhuthiri moru wa mbeca ministry-ini iria amwe yao marari, wagi wa umenyo wa ministry icio, hamwe na kwaga uugi muiganiru uria batarainie niguo mundu akorwo akihokerwo ministry iyo.
3. The nominee was not able to exonerate herself from the accusations of mismanagement of public affairs and finances in relation to 1. The construction of Kenyatta Stadium, 2. The construction of Machakos People's Park, 3. The money spent in relation to the proposed construction of the People's Park, D. The ECD classrooms which were budgeted for but not constructed, E. Inability to put in place a good mechanism to manage the bursary fund leading to bounce checks.
No mwena-ini wake Governor Alfred Mutua ni ugite uthurimi wa maminister acio urekirwo na njira ya kimenyano ni aria matarenda thirikari yake guthie na mbere na kuheana motungata mayo kuri muingi hamwe na kuruta wira wayo. Oho Ma-MCA kiama kia maendeleo chap magiukirira arunao.
Tumeona mgawanyiko katika bunge letu la Machakos. Kama mahali kuna siasa hakuna jambo nzuri ambalo litatendeka. Kulikuwa kumeletwa mawaziri 5 wateuliwe. Itakuwaje wote hawajahitimu? Tuweke kando siasa, maana tukifanya siasa tunaumiza watu wetu. Sisi kwa pamoja tunasema kazi iendelee. Mutua governor fanya kazi Machakos bila kuogopa chochote.
Hamwe na maritwa maria mararegirwo ni mbunge yo ni uria wari minister wa ugima wa mwiri Naomi Mutie, uria uratanyirwo ministry ya mai, Ruth Mutua uria uratanyirwo ministry ya urimi, Ali Muhammad uria uratanyirwo ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, Kimeu Mbithi uria uratanyirwo ministry ya uruti wa wira no kinyaniria, na Faith Wathome uria uratanyirwo ministry ya githomo. Rungu rwa watho maminister aria maamuritwo ni gavana wa hau kabere mabatie kuruta wira wao kinyagia maminister angi maamurwo ni thirikari ya gavana uria waiyukia wathani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwagi.